once again to my kitchen. This is Julie's Kitchen. How you guys doing? Hope you are staying safe. Hope you are doing well. Well, we thank God. We give God the glory. We thank God for His hands upon us. So, you are welcome once again to my kitchen. My old subscribers, I welcome you for staying with me. And my new subscribers, I also welcome you. And if you are joining me for the first time, please don't skip my video. Try and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell to get notice of every video I upload. And join the Julie's Kitchen family. You are welcome. So in today's cooking series, I will be making the crunchy chin chin. And as you can see on my table, these are the ingredients I'll be using to make the chin chin for today. Here I have the oil I'm going to use in milk frying. I have salt, and I have also this is coconut oil, coconut milk. This is my butter. I'm going to use this nutmeg, the sugar, the flour, egg, and water if needed. So now let's get started. Okay, this one is just the half kilo of flour, so I just want to, is what I want to make, the half kilo. I think this one will be enough. This half is okay. So now I want to have the baking powder to it. I'm going to have just a little baking powder to it. Then I'll be adding some salt, also little salt and sugar as well. You can add sugar to your taste. So me, I think this one is okay. I don't really like much sugar like that. Then I'll be adding a nutmeg too. Oh, this one is too much. Okay, so I'm going to stir this. Let's see. Okay, so now I want to add my butter to it. Oh. Not so much. Okay. So I'm going to be mixing it with my hands. I've already washed my hands. My hands are clean. So I'm going to mix it. So right now, I want to add egg. So it's on the we added two eggs. Okay. Then I will still have my coconut milk. This one is coconut milk. You can also use liquid milk, normal milk, or the dried milk, but I love using coconut milk whenever I'm making chin chin. So I'm going to stir it as well. Adding water to it, so not too much water, to add some water to it so that I can mix it very well. Okay. It's going to salt. To add little flour to it. Because the water I add is so not too much, so I'm adding little flour so that it can be hard. So now I'm going to, this is what I want. It's not too hard, it's not too soft. So now I'm going to cover it and allow it to relax for 15 minutes. Then I'll start the making. I want to cover the dough for 15 minutes. I'll allow it to relax for 15 minutes. Then I'll start it over again. Okay, now it's 15 minutes, so I want to start the cutting of my chin. So I'm going to add it to flour, then I'll start to cut it into two. Very flat, then I start the cutting. I don't like my chichi to be too tiny, so I like it when they're a little bit fat. So I don't make it so light. I think it's okay like this. Okay, like this. I want it to be too tiny. Okay. So So I'm going to be cutting it now. So putting this to this side too. Meanwhile, let me put my oil in the fryer. Let me first of all cook this one first. I don't like my chin-chin to be too tiny. I love them burgers, but big things just like the way I am. So that's what I enjoy. I don't like it all very hard. So as you can see, I'm removing my chin-chin one after the other. I'm already, my oil is on the gas. So I'm allowing it to hot, then I will start the frying. So just trying to remove the chin-chin. So this is my chin-chin. Let's take that carrier. Okay, now I want to see if the oil is hot. If I can. I think I'll take it to this. Boom. Let me put this. It's hot. So I want to start the frying now. So it's almost getting ready. It's getting brown now. Wow, this is how I like my chin-chin. You can see I like them bogus. I don't like when it's too tiny. So this is how I love it. Wow. So it's almost ready. Just want to allow it to still fry for 2 minutes, then I will take it out. Wow, so my chin-chin is ready and I want to take it out now. Wow, you can see how beautiful and bogus it is. These I love them big. I love them big just the way I am. Wow, so yummy. So you can see how my chin-chin is. It's very beautiful and it's also delicious because I use coconut milk. Just try it, you enjoy it. Nut milk is very sweet in chin-chin. So that's what I use when I'm making my chin-chin. So I'm going to be adding another set to it. I'm going to be adding another set of chin-chin. Wow. So finally, I'm done with my frying. So my chin-chin is ready. This is my crunching chin-chin. Wow. You can see how beautiful it is. I'm done for today. So thank you for joining me. See you guys next time in my next video. So you can see the chin-chin Here's my chin chin. There's the chin chin. You see? Here's my crunchy chin chin. So I thank you for joining me today. See you next time in my next video. Bye. I love you. Please share my video. Always give me a thumbs up and drop your comments in the comment section. See you next time. Bye. God bless you.